Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 14th of December, 2023. The surprisingly dovish stance by the U.S. Federal Reserve triggered a global rally that catapulted Indian equity benchmark to new highs on December 14th, as most sectoral indices closed in the green. The Sensex closed 929.60 points, or 1.34%, higher at 70,514.20, and the Nifty ended 256.40 points, or 1.23%, up at 21,182.70. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were Tech Mahindra, LTI Mindtree, Wipro, while losers were Power Grid Corp, HDFC Life, Nestle. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of MASTEK surged up to 7% on December 14th after the US Fed's dovish pivot sent IT stocks soaring. With optimism about a sooner-than-expected improvement in the macroeconomic environment and interest rate cuts, analysts suggest that investors, particularly those with long-term perspectives, should redirect their attention to the IT sector. MASTEK shares have risen over 54% so far in 2023, massively outperforming benchmark Nifty 50, which has risen 15% during this period. Shares of NBCC Limited surged nearly 6%, scaling a new 52-week high of 84.75 rupees in early trade on December 14th, following the company's announcement of securing a project management consultancy contract worth 1,500 rupees crore for the development of 1,469 warehouses and other infrastructure pertaining to the agriculture sector. The company has won the order from the National Cooperative Development Corporation and Primary Agriculture Cooperative Society in various states, NBCC stated in a regulatory filing on December 13th. Fusion Microfinance shares jumped 5% on December 14th. Global private equity firm Warburg Pincus pares its stake in the company, as 1.3 crore shares or 10% equity exchanged hands at 599 rupees per share, in a pre-open block window. Honey Rose Investment, an arm of Warburg Pincus, was to offload a 9.25% stake in a block deal. The deal size is valued at 500 rupees crore, with the floor price set at 535 rupees per share. Shares of IRCTC Limited surged 3% to hit a new 52-week high of 799.95 rupees in early trade on December 14th, after the railway major announced its plans for major expansion in the non-railway catering business across the country. IRCTC is now on the road to proliferate in the areas of business beyond railways for promoting its brand and business across the nation, the Miniratna PSU said in a statement on December 13th. GOKUL AGRO Resources was trading around 4% higher on December 14th, after the firm's Singapore subsidiary acquired a 25% stake in PT Ria Pacific Nabati in Indonesia. In a December 13th regulatory filing, GOKUL AGRO Resources said that its step-down subsidiary, Marigo Indo Holdings Pte Limited, based in Singapore, signed a joint venture agreement with PT Ria Pacific Nabati and other parties, as well as a transfer and assignment of share rights agreement with PT Pacific Agro Sentosa and PT Sipta User Sejati. Terra Software Limited in daily time frame is trading around 61.90 points with a change of 19.96% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.713 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 52.10, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.69. Cyber Media, India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 28.90 points with a change of 19.92% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.519 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 22.15, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 87.51. Patel Integrated Logistics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 23.90 points with a change of 19.8% and is trading with a net volume of around 6.8 for 2 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 19.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.03. For the stock recommendation we have, ACC Limited looks good and can be bought at 2,236 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 2,182 rupees and a target of 2,294 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.